What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this K10 from Kieslect. Yeah, the brand name it's a bit difficult to understand how to pronounce it. Kieslect, Kieslect. Anyway, there are two things I was confused at the beginning. Number one, 1.32 inch semi-AMOLED. What is semi-AMOLED? I have done some digging and this one is AMOLED. And number two, here it says motor vibration. I didn't know what is motor vibration. You cannot make any vibration without any motor. They should have written like there is a haptic motor inside, a very good quality haptic motor, something like that. Well, I have spent $49.99 for this one, and my main purpose was to find a cheap AMOLED panel based smartwatch, because I have reviewed a lot of smartwatches in this channel and most of those are LCD panel based. So many of my subscribers, regular viewers, they have made comments like, why don't you go ahead and do some review on some AMOLED panel based smartwatches. Here it is. Here is K10. This one costs only $49.99. I think the price is justified because this is my second unit. I have been using another one for almost 30 days now. I'm super excited and super happy, super satisfied, so I have bought this one to do this review. Well, let's start from unboxing, but before that, if you find this video helpful, if you like to watch videos like this, then please click on the like button. Yeah, like button is actually over there. Click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Share the love. Well, let's start from unboxing.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best even though I'm so stressed.
Okay, here are the things we have got inside the box. Actually, we didn't get this one inside the box. There is an offer going on. If you buy this smartwatch, they will give you this smartwatch band as a free gift. So I have got this one as a free gift. I'm pretty happy because the quality of this one is also very good. Inside the box you will get a user manual, a charging cable. Yeah, this is a proprietary charging cable, and the smartwatch. Kieslect actually is a part of Xiaomi. There is a big chain of Xiaomi products and this one belongs to that chain. So I don't think we have to worry about warranty, quality and many other things because this Xiaomi chain is very big and they always offers good quality products. Anyway, the band it came with is a TPU silicon band. This one is also a very good one, very comfortable, and I don't have any complaint about this one as they have already provided a second band. I don't think we have to worry about the band. Yeah, the quality of this band is really great, amazing, premium class quality, and when I'm wearing this smartwatch band offers super comfort. I'm so happy with this one. Well, let's talk about appearance, design and build quality. Appearance, yeah, it's a bit generic. These days there is nothing special to talk about. There are two buttons on the right side, but there is one thing very special. This smartwatch is manufactured on a very slim metal body. Yeah, this is metal, this is aluminum frame, and at the back this is ceramic. I have no complaint about build quality and it's very light. As I have mentioned earlier, this one comes with 1.32 inch AMOLED panel. This is a 360 by 360 panel and it looks gorgeous. Dark is pretty dark, white is very bright, colors are vivid and vibrant. I don't think there is any option to complain about this display panel. This display panel is as good as many other $200 smartwatches display panels. This display panel is protected by a 2.5D touch screen. This perfectly protects the screen edges and makes it much more fashionable. Actually, it's pretty hard to find the bezels. Yeah, there is a bezel around the display, but the bezel is not that thick and you wouldn't notice the bezel thickness at a glance. So the display panel is well calibrated, and even under harsh lighting condition, this display panel is very much visible. Before we pair this Kieslect K10 with our smartphone, I have to mention that this one comes with 330 mAh battery, which offers almost 30 days of standby time. Actually, I have managed to squeeze around 15 days. I know I'm a power user and I cannot expect anything more than this because other smartwatches of this price range with AMOLED panel and heavy usage won't go beyond 12 days. So 15 days is good enough for me. This one actually takes 100 minutes to get fully charged with its provided charging cable. There are two buttons on the right side. The top one is actually dedicated to power and menu. The bottom one is dedicated to workout mode. You can select between 13 different workouts. There is running, walking, cycling, climbing, spinning bike, yoga, skipping, gymnastics, badminton, ping pong, boating, sit-ups, and yeah, free. You can use this one for sleep time monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring and heart rate monitoring. Well, it's time to pair this smartwatch with our smartphone. There are a few different ways that you can bind it or pair it with your smartphone. Actually, you have to download the application named GloryFit. If you don't know how to download it, there is an app download QR code. Just scan this QR code and you will be able to download the application. The application GloryFit is available both in Apple App Store. It's very easy to install this application, and to pair this smartwatch with your smartphone is even easier. Just open the application and then go to device. If you have a K10 nearby or any other smartwatch nearby your smartphone which supports GloryFit application, you will see all those smartwatch names in a list. I'm gonna pair my Kieslect K10 with this smartphone. Just click on the name and it's paired. From the application, you can select your watch faces. There are tons of watch faces. If you want to play with watch faces, you can play with this one whole day. But let me quickly select one. It takes about a minute to sync the watch face with your smartwatch, but the process is very smooth. You just select your watch face and click on sync. It gets synchronized. Look at this. Black is totally dark. Black means black. White means bright. In most of the budget smartwatches, black means, yeah, it's not black, it's some kind of gray, dark gray. But this smartwatch, this one can reproduce black, true black. That's the difference. Well, we have talked about appearance, build quality, battery, display panel. What about the features? There are quite a few features like heart rate monitoring. This one has 24-hour auto heart rate monitoring. There is another feature that's blood oxygen monitoring. Yeah, you can select time period from when to when and the interval, like every 10 minutes or every 20 minutes or every 1 hour. But still, this one also drains battery. People sometimes ask me, like, if I buy a smartwatch for $50 US, can it provide correct heart rate or will it provide correct blood oxygen data? I think this is a stupid question because these are not medical equipments. Even if you spend a few $100s, like $300 or $400 US, and buy a smartwatch, no brand is gonna provide you 100% guarantee. But what I have experienced after using this one for almost a month, yeah, this one offers a very accurate, almost accurate data. Accuracy of this one is better than many other in its class. Sorry, not only in its class, beyond its class. So I think this one is reliable. But if you're gonna rely on a smartwatch for medical purpose, then I don't think that's a good idea. Well, there is no microphone, there is no speaker, so you cannot receive or make phone call through this smartwatch, but there is a call reminder option. If you allow GloryFit to access your contacts and phone call data, then you will get call reminder when there is a call. You can reject the call with a key. It's the same for SMS and other application reminders. What you have to do is to just allow this GloryFit application to have notification access to those applications. Well, what do you think about this Kieslect K10? Please let me know in the comment section below, and if you want me to review other products from this brand, please make a comment and let me know in the comment section which other products should I review from this brand. Then I'll try to buy one and of course I will do a review. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, then please subscribe to this channel and support honest content.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out.